Hello, my name is Adam and welcome to UK theme parks. Now then, we're going to have a look today at something that came completely out of the blue, to be honest with you. Alton Towers went live. I don't remember the last time they went live. They went live to show us a glimpse of the Wicker Man, which you can see just here now. And it shows us quite a lot, to be honest with you. So it was taken about 6:30, I believe, a night. So it's still a little bit light in the background. But as you can see, the main figure, you can see the turn. And what you'll see in a second is the massive explosion as the train goes through it. And you'll see the train now whooshing round the corner and back through around to the other side again as the figure goes off again. So it passes it twice in that kind of small area. Now the drone footage is mainly focusing obviously on the center piece of the ride, as you can see there. You know, what of that is light and what of that is fire, we're not entirely sure. Obviously the shoulders we expect to be fire, as you can see there, and the internal bits we're expecting to be light based. I mean, it's spectacular looking. It really is spectacular looking, and I think when you consider that perhaps you know, Alton Towers haven't got the best wooden roller coaster in the world. I don't think anyone's going to pretend they have, with the track layout and indeed everything else as well. You know, they definitely have something special on their hands. You see a lot of people watching it as well. We'll get to that in a minute. You can see a lot of people watching it. But this shows us the ride in motion. It shows us the rides going around. We kind of already knew testing was happening, so that's come as absolutely no surprise. So it is great the park have shared this with us. You know, it's a real nice touch of the park, especially considering the icon updates we've been getting from Blackpool. You know, we've had very little apart from a few promotional videos from Alton Towers and obviously a few leaks where the park's been open and you've been able to have access to kind of see the SW8 and of course the plane that flies above, detailing the whole ride for us before it actually opens. So SW8, Wicker Man, is due to open in 2018 along with Icon as the two big roller coasters in the UK. Now it's not going to be the best layout. I think we know it's not going to be the best layout. So the theme is something they're really looking at here, and as you can kind of see, it does look really nice. So what's the deal with Wicker Man? Well, we don't really know. The park haven't actually announced an opening date for it yet. They're still saying that it's coming in the spring. So the park opens on the 17th of March, Saturday the 17th of March. We are expecting it to open with the park. There's nothing suggesting it won't open with the park. And there's a few other clues as well that this may be happening. So there's been a few leaked pictures on Twitter by staff members who have ridden the ride with the ride in motion with people on it and people queuing for the front row with people sitting on it. How these pictures get leaked in this day and age, I really do not know, and I'm pretty sure Alton Towers aren't that happy about it. But when you consider it's February and the park opens in 3 weeks' time, there'd be no reason for the ride not to be opening for opening day. It's also part of the early ride lineup, which is really interesting because, you know, on opening day, everyone runs to the ride and everyone queues for the ride. You know, there'll be certain people that can't actually queue for the ride straight away, providing it is going to be open and it is going to be on early rider. So it'll be really interesting to see how the park handle that on opening day. We're hoping to go up to Alton Towers for opening day. We would rather the Wicker Man was open because of the, you know, it really does boost the lineup, and obviously we want to ride it. It's quite a journey for us, but there's no solid confirmation yet. However, seeing the pictures, seeing the video you've just seen there, and kind of seeing people riding it, why wouldn't it be open on opening day, a Saturday? Why wouldn't it be open? So what else have we learned from this video? Well, you know, my excitement levels are still mid-range for this ride. They are mid-range, and I'll tell you why. You know, Icon, we can see it looks good, we can see it's going to ride well, and we know it's going to be a fantastic ride. This one, I think the ride is going to be okay. I don't think the ride's going to be amazing by any means. I'm sure the experience will be good, and that's obviously what Merlin and Alton Towers are going for with this. But you know, the night shots they show there look absolutely beautiful, but we're not going to see it in the night for another 6 months. In fact, longer than that. Another 8 months before we actually get to see it at night with the fire effects. And that for me poses a little bit of a problem why, you know, we're going live with the fire effects and how great it looks, when realistically we're never going to be able to see it like that until the end of the season. And that's providing you then go for Scarefest events and you're hanging around all day long, you know, and you're not enjoying other things that you're actually there to go on Wicker Man. So it's a little bit frustrating, especially given that Thorpe Park are doing late night openings, that Alton Towers haven't announced anything where we can see the ride in this state. And it is a little bit frustrating that they've gone ahead and done this when they could have perhaps also shown us some day shots. Now I appreciate it doesn't have the same draw as it would do during the day, but there's going to be a lot of people that think, wow, this thing looks amazing. And it does look good, and kind of go during the day and have a completely different ride experience. So I think I'd like to have seen a day shot and then a night shot, maybe not a live video, but sort of a compilation and a video they could have put up at a certain point and gone, right, this is what it looks like now, and then they could have done some real clever editing to go from day to night, back to day again, and it would have looked fantastic. Really would have looked good. What else have we learned from this? Well, it's approaching the end of February. We've just had February half term. It's not very warm outside. It's certainly not very warm up north. I'm down south. It's a little bit warmer. I don't think we're going to get any snow next week, but it's certainly not warm up north. That's a great ride, flying around the track, no problems whatsoever. I'm pretty sure this could be open for February half term. Should the park do a February half term event again, why couldn't Wicker Man be open? It clearly runs quite well. They've had problems in the past with various rides not wanting to go around during February half term, but this lovely wooden roller coaster seems to fly around the track during February. So what have we learned? Well, I think this ride could open for February half term, and it's quite interesting they're showing us pictures from it in February when they haven't had an event in February for a long time. This ride has been built, made, tested, rigorously tested, its scenery installed, everything ready for February, which is really good to see. The fact the staff are on it, the fact there's pictures and everything of it, the ride is clearly ready to open, fully tested. There's no way they would let staff on it unless it had gone through everything. It's a real credit to Alton Towers, given the Smiler palaver where it was months and months late. This is ready to roll, and could have been ready to roll for February, which means in future a February half term event could well include the Wicker Man. And if they can include that and Sonic Spinball and maybe Oblivion, they wouldn't have to open the complete other half of the park. So a little bit of food for thought there. What do you think? Do you think that February half term should be coming back? And given that you've seen the footage of this going around, could it be one for February half term? But let's look at the project on a whole. Are you excited now for Wicker Man? I think that perhaps there was a lot of negativity towards it and a lot of negativity towards the layout, but this is going for the full experience. And we can't wait to ride the experience. We genuinely can't wait. Whilst we think Icon will be a better ride, sometimes it is about the themed experience. And maybe, just maybe, if they can pull this off and it looks spectacular during the day, that it's going to be incredible. Perhaps it is going to be absolutely incredible. Now we know there's a pre-show. There are rumours of the pre-show. There's a little bit of audio again online from the pre-show. No videos yet, which is good because the ride's not open and staff should know better than to do this. There's going to be quite a lot of interactivity with this ride, so it'll be really interesting to see how it comes together. I think it's going to, the more of a surprise with new rides, the better. Whilst we can see Icon being built, we don't know what it's going to ride like, and we haven't seen it go around yet. I'm sure videos are going to come out of it going around because the park's going to be open, which will be a little bit of a shame because we'd be able to gauge speed. And I think where Alton Towers is Alton Towers, it would have been lovely to see nothing apart from what Alton Towers wanted to release of the Wicker Man, but we have seen more. So that video there, that was the drone footage. You can see a bit of the train, you can see a bit of it going around. It seems to be going at quite a good speed, quite late at night, it is cold. It seems to be going through quite a good speed, and we can't really see any dummies on it either. Looking back, it looks like there wasn't any dummies on it, so it's not even a weighted train, and that fills me with great confidence. But what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts now on Wicker Man? Let us know in the comments below. Head over to our Facebook page, get involved in the conversation. My name's Adam, this has been UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.